Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Allison. If you're returning, welcome back. So today's video, I'll be cleaning up my car, me and my kiddos, and it was a mess in this car. So yeah, let's get it. Happy Sunday. I hope you guys are enjoying your Sunday. I hope you guys enjoyed your week. My week was so-so. I mean, I had a lot going on. My last video I said I did get approved for apartment, and then I found out that I had owed this bill, so now they're taking out money out my paycheck. So now I'm like a little bit struggling with paying for food and buying little things in the house and paying my bills, but I'm not even going to stress about it. God is going to find a way for me to get the things that I need. And yeah, so I have just a lot of containers, bottles, and stuff like that, because I do bring lunch to work. And I have like water bottles and stuff in there. My seats are so filthy. I have to find me something to like clean my seats in here. But as of right now, we're just going to vacuum and clean the outside. I haven't did this in a couple weeks. I need to keep up with it. But yeah. It was a nice Saturday, and we were just, finding things to do. So I was like, you know what, let's clean up the car. So I'm glad I did, because it feels really nice in my car. These two was always fighting, but she did get her hair done. I gotta show you guys in the next video. But it came out so nice. We didn't really have a sleepover for her birthday. What did we do? We went to the carnival this weekend for her birthday. And then she said that she got money from her bus driver. So that was really nice of him. And kids at school said happy birthday and gave her a gift card. So she's very thankful for that. I didn't have much to give her, but I did get her some stuff. She was crying the day before, like she wasn't going to get anything, but...
I don't know. You don't have $30. Who said I have to pay him? Let's be honest, Junior.
Take it out.
You have to pay him. You're right. What am I doing? Junior, I'll give you $5 every time you kiss me.
Oh, caught my eye first.
If you get free Mexican food, then I can have some, because you're going to take me. So kiss me, Junior. Okay, fine.
I need some of these.
Okay.
Y'all need to buy this up. It's really good.
I like that. That was hot. See you soon, Daddy. See you soon.
You're lying. I got me a good one, too. I love this shirt. I'm wearing this. I heard this smell good.
I tried to be your everything, gave my everything, I sold out. Now just look at me, I'm a ghost with nothing left. Hollow, emptied out, what got lost can't be found. You stole every bit of me, now I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true.
So guys, I have to do more spring cleaning videos, so that'll be coming up soon of my bedroom and the kids' bedroom. And then I appreciate you guys for subscribing to my channel once again. I do see a lot of people viewing my channel but not subscribing. Please subscribe to my channel. That will help me so much. I'm almost to 1K followers. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Don't look out for more content out there. I'm trying to post twice a week, but I don't know, I may have to get another job again, but we'll see. But yeah, guys, I did add an Amazon wish list just to help my channel out a little bit, buying cleaning products because my channel is about cleaning, and you know, that will help my channel a lot. You don't have to, but it doesn't hurt to ask. And yeah.
Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. I really thought that I knew. I really thought that I knew where I had ya. I really thought we would be. I really thought you and me were forever. But I guess you had other plans. I wish I'd known in advance that way. Maybe I could've guarded my heart, but now I'm just back at the start. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Why let me go, go, go. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Why let me go, go, go.
You talk to me like you have lost respect for me. Acting up in front of all my friends, oh no. I don't like your tone, I like the games you play. Don't like the games you play. I already know that you talk behind my back. I already know that you hitting on my friend. Already know that you second guess my mindset. But let me just tell you that I already know what